Missing that train saved my life. I was running late for work and sprinted toward the train just as the doors started closing. I reached out, but they shut right in front of me. I was furious. An older man sitting on the bench looked at me and quietly said, "Sometimes being late is a good thing." 5 minutes later, every emergency siren in the station went off. The train I was supposed to be on had hit a truck stuck on the tracks. Nobody died, but dozens of people were injured. I turned to thank the old man, but the bench was empty. As I walked away, I noticed a newspaper lying where he'd been sitting. The headline was dated 15 years earlier. The photo on the front page was of the same train crash, and sitting on that same bench was the same old man.